Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw vampire Mickey Mouse. So first let's get started in the top portion of our page in the middle, and we're going to draw a curved line on the bottom. Moving further up to the top on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line down and then across and then in towards the middle. Moving over towards the right hand side now, coming down on a diagonal, we're going to replicate that, curving that up, in, and then blending that in on that line. To draw in our eyes now, on the inside, we're going to draw a small curved line on both sides. Moving further out now, we're going to draw a curved line that arches around and then down, and then we'll do the same thing over on the right hand side. Moving into the middle now, we're going to draw in a small oval shape on the left eye, and then moving over towards our right eye, we'll replicate that again. Moving directly underneath this now, we're going to draw a sideways oval shape for the nose. And then inside of that, we're going to draw in another smaller oval shape in the top right-hand corner for the highlight. For the mouth now, coming further down on the left and right-hand side, we're going to draw a small curved line. Let's connect both of those together now with a curved line from left to right. On the left-hand side, we're going to draw the letter V for our first fang. And now moving over towards the right, we'll replicate that. On the left-hand side now, we're going to draw a small arch line connecting that to the right side. In the middle for the tongue, we're going to curve this line up and then over. And then starting back on that line, we're going to arch that up and out. For the chin now, we're going to come underneath and draw curved line from left to right. And now let's come in and draw in the face. So moving further up on the left hand side, we're going to draw a curved line that arches around and then in towards our chin. We'll come down on a diagonal on the right hand side, and let's replicate that. Closing off the top of the face now, starting on this line on the top, we're going to curve this around and in, connecting that at a point. And we'll do the same thing as we move over on the right hand side. Moving further up now, we're going to arch this line all the way up towards the top and then curving that around and then down. And now let's move over towards the right hand side and replicate that, arching that up, bringing that back down. Moving over towards the left hand side now, we're going to draw a curved line from left to right, closing off the top of the head. Moving over towards the top right hand side now, we're going to draw a nice big circle for the right ear. And then moving over towards the left hand side, we'll replicate that again. For the collar of the cloak now, on either side, we're going to draw a curved line that arches out. And now starting at that point, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the cheek. Let's move further out now and draw in a curved line that arches around for our arm. And we'll do this on the right hand side as well, just making that line slightly smaller. Let's draw in our hands now. So moving further down for the thumb, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And we'll do the same thing over on the left hand side. Moving further up now for our first finger, we're going to curve this line around and then in, connecting it on that line there. And we'll do the same thing on the left hand side. Now coming in, let's connect these lines together by curving this line around and then out. Let's move further out now for our second finger. We're going to curve this line around and then in. For the middle of the hand now, we're going to curve this line around and up from the thumb. And then moving further out again, we're going to curve this line around and then up. For the last finger now, we're going to curve this line out, connecting that in towards our center finger, and we'll do the same thing on the left hand side. Closing off the arms now, on the bottom, we're going to curve this line around, arching that in. And we'll do the same thing as we move over towards the left hand side. close off the wrist, we're going to curve this line around and then up on both sides. On the top of the cloak now, we're going to curve this line in, down, and then arching that in towards the chin. And now coming over towards the right hand side, we'll replicate that, curving that around, down, and then stretching that line further in. Moving underneath now, on the right hand side, we're going to curve a small line that arches out. And then over on the left hand side, we're going to arch this line in, back out, and then down. Moving further up towards the top now, we're going to curve this line around, stretching that further out for the leg. And now on the left hand side for our left leg, we're going to curve this line down and then bending that in at the knee. Moving further up on the top now, we're going to curve this line up, in, and then arching that up, connecting that line together. In the center, we're going to draw a curved line from left to right. In the middle for the bow tie, we're going to arch this line around and then out. In the center, we're going to draw in a small oval shape. And then on the bottom of this, we're going to curve this line out towards the left. Moving in towards the center, we're going to curve this line down and then arching that back up. And then over on the left-hand side, we're going to draw the letter U, bringing that around and then up. In the middle now, we're going to curve this line around and then down, ending this at roughly the same height on the diagonal there. Moving underneath this again, we're going to curve a small line that arches around and then out. On the bottom here now for our shoe on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then over. And then on the inside, we're going to arch this line around and then up. Moving over towards the right-hand side now, we're going to arch this line around, curving that over for the top of the shoe. Moving over towards the inside, we're going to curve this line out, bringing that around. Let's close off the side of this now by connecting this line on the top to our line on the bottom, blending that in. Moving over towards the left-hand side now, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. And then on the top, we're going to arch this line back down, connecting that in, blending that line together. To close off the bottom of the shoe here, we're going to follow this pattern. So we're going to curve this in, arching this up, and then arching that across. Lastly, let's come in behind and draw in the cloak. So on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line out towards the side of our page, curving that down. Let's move over towards the left-hand side and replicate that. So we're going to arch this out towards the left-hand side and then curving that back around and in. Moving further in now, we're going to replicate that shape. So we're going to curve this out and then down, connecting that at a point. And now flipping over towards the right-hand side, we'll replicate that, curving that around and then back down. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line up towards the top, connecting that in towards the shoe. And then moving over towards the right, we'll replicate that. And lastly, in the middle here, we're just going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. And that is it. That's how you draw Vampire Mickey Mouse. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all tomorrow.